Dyjere. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing the forgotten makeup challenge. So basically I just went through my makeup collection and just found like some makeup products that like were once my go-tos but I kind of like forgot about. And I'm just gonna do a full face of those type of products. So if you guys want to see me do the forgotten makeup challenge, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first thing first, we're gonna take concealer, which I'm gonna take, and this is how you know this was forgotten, because I bought it and I literally never used it. It still has the packaging on it. It is the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade Sand Beige. I'm just gonna prime my eyes with this. The next product that I'm going to take is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Loose Setting Powder. I remember loving this powder, and then I just like, I don't know, I just stopped using it, which I don't know why, but I remember really loving it. I'm just going to take some of that and set my eyelids with that. It's so funny because I did this video before 4 years ago. I didn't even realize that I did. And the next product that we're going to be using is the Lorac Pro Mega 3 palette. This palette was so popular when it first came out. I remember like wanting this palette so bad, and I remember it being so popular. So we're gonna use this palette, but like because it's just like forgotten about. So first we're gonna take Maple and Walnut and put that into the crease. And then on a M330 brush, we're going to take Bark. We're going to put that in the outer corner and also blend it into the crease. Now I'm going to take Hickory and put it on the outer corner and blend it into the crease. I also like how it's pretty cool tone, because I never do cool tone makeup looks. I'm going to take DK Navy and put that on the outer corner. So now I'm going to cut my crease with the Revolution Conceal and Fix Ultimate Coverage Concealer. I'm on the fence about this concealer, to be honest. I don't know if I like it or not, but that's why I like kind of forgot about it, because if you don't love something, then you don't really reach for it. And I don't know if I love this concealer, so I'm just gonna I'm gonna do a half cut crease with this. Now I'm gonna take Crepe on a flat brush and just set that concealer with that. I'm also going to take Snow and just put it on the inner corner and blend it out. And then I'm going to take Bark again on an M330 brush and just take it on the outer corner of the cut crease and just blend that out. I'm going to take the M213 brush and I'm going to take this LA Girl Jet Black liner, and I'm just gonna do a liner, but I'm not gonna do a wing. Okay, and now we're gonna move on to face. The primer that I'm gonna use is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Look, as you can tell, I literally hit pan. I love this primer. I think I stopped using it because it's almost empty and I didn't want to like use it all up, but today we're using it because that's the point of this video. And I never rebought it, and I don't know why, because I really like it. Then I'm gonna take that concealer that we used to cut the crease, and I'm just gonna take it and do some spot concealing. Okay, and this is probably going to be a shock to some people. For the forgotten foundation, I'm going to use the I Am Magic foundation by Juvia's Place. I also really love this foundation. I don't know why I don't reach for it that much. I think the reason why is because it's a little tiny bit on the red undertone for me, so I don't reach for it that often, but I do really like it. I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand. If I do under eye concealer, I'm gonna take the ABH Liquid Glow. You guys remember this? Like, this was all the rage back in the day. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and put it on my cheeks, and I'm also gonna put some on my nose. I put way too much on my nose. And now for under eye concealer, we're gonna take the same concealer that we used to prime our eyes, which is the NYX HD concealer. While that under eye concealer sits for a little bit, we're gonna take the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Truffle. This is looking really good. I need to reach for these products more often, especially the foundation. And this concealer is really nice. I never used it before. I think that's why, like, yeah, I never used it before. But it's really nice. Let's see how it blends out under the eye. Okay, this is looking really, really good. Don't you hate when you do like something new with like forgotten products or whatever, and you're like, this is how I could have been looking the whole time, and I just haven't been looking this way. Now we're gonna take the Peach Perfect powder again, and we're just gonna set under my eyes with that. Okay guys, so I went on camera and put on a lash, and this is the finished look for the Forgotten Makeup Challenge. I love it so much. I think it looks so good. I never do like cool tone makeup, so this gave me a chance to like branch out a little bit and also like try the makeup that I once loved but kind of like forgot about. And like I said throughout the video, I'm kind of mad because I could have looked like this for a long time. I mean, I'm not saying that my regular makeup routine isn't like good, but this looks like really good. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff is on the screen right here. It will also be linked down below for your convenience. If you want to watch my first Forgotten Makeup Challenge, I will link it down below. It was 4 years ago. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this look down below. If you want to try this challenge, please tag me on any of my social medias, because this is a really fun challenge. Like I said, it makes you remember what makeup products that you once loved and why you love them, or maybe it'll remind you why you hated a product or disliked it or whatever. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.